On the Metroplex, fortunately, we didn't get those tornadoes. That was associated with the warm front that stayed down to our south. Fortunate for the Metroplex, but we did get some hail. Some of the hail was rather large, 1.5 inch size hail in Lake Worth. We also had reports of hail that was over 2 inches over by the Colony, so it was rather large hail at times. None of that is left. All we have now is just this light rain on the backside of this very strong low pressure system and spring storm, but it's not feeling very spring out there. First, these winds, the biggest wind gust we've seen here in the last 15 minutes was at the airport, DFW, almost 50-mile-per-hour winds. But we've had wind gusts around 40 miles an hour around the metro area over the last couple of hours. Look what it's doing to the temperatures. It's already in the 30s in Graham. It's in the low 40s at Meacham, 47 at Love Field. But you factor in these winds, and the feel-like temperature in Graham is in the 20s, and it actually feels below freezing across Tarrant County right now. So obviously you want to bundle up if you're heading out tomorrow morning for services. This is tomorrow morning. We got the actual temperatures in the low 40s. Actually in the 30s in Bowie, Gainesville, Graham, almost in the mid-30s, many of these locations, but those feel-like temperatures will be in the mid-30s, so this is not very April-like as we start April this Sunday with these strong winds, but the winds will diminish. With the sunshine, the low humidity, we get into the upper 60s. It's actually going to be a nice afternoon. Real quick about what's ahead, the next chance of thunderstorms, mid-70s on Tuesday with clouds, but rain and thunderstorms along a dry line. Some of these could be rather strong before a front comes through and we cool down, but not nearly as cool as we are right now. This is going to be one of the colder days for the rest of April. As you can see, temperatures in the 80s on Wednesday. Next weekend doesn't look nearly as traumatic. Keith?